Hello, fellow investors. It's that dividend guy. I want to start off by saying happy Monday. Hope everybody had a great green day in the markets. What's up, Grand Stefan? Just posted a new video. I always have notification turned on. But hopefully everybody had a great green day in the market. To this week, we are going to have a straight 5 videos, so it's not going to be like last week. Let's look and see how we did for the day, week, month, 3 month, year, and all time. So today we are up $132. That is phenomenal. Then for the week, which would be about little more than a percent today, about 1.5% for today. For the week, we're up 4.7%, up $668. So we went up from 1600 back to about 16.6 in the past week. The month we are down 323, about 2%. 3 month mark we are up 3.57. For the year we are up 14.95, and all time we're up 21.25 or 14.6%. So not too bad. Dips in the market are always going to happen. So not surprised that, like, remember how I said, guys, late last week, I don't mind being down here or even there. That I would always assume is going up. The year would be, but everything else short term doesn't really bother me. So let's go to the individual stocks and see what we got. So we're down 6 cents on Altria Group, 98 shares, $4,500 in the stock, 45.30 is our average cost. About 27% of the stock or of our portfolio is in Altria stock. Down 5.88 today, up 83.95 or almost 2%. Then we have Coca-Cola. They are up 56 cents today, so 17 shares, a little over $1,000 in equity. 51.10 is our average cost. 6% of the stocks in of the portfolios in Coca-Cola stock. Today we're up $9. Total we're up $147. This is going to be one of those that I just start flooding cash into eventually. AT&T, we are up about 24 cents today. 62 shares, almost $400 of equity. 31.10 our average cost. About 14% of the portfolios in AT&T stock, up almost $15 today. Up $470 total, or 24% on that holding. Then we have AbbVie. Today we are up about 236. It is paying me a dividend of 70.80. AT&T did just pay me $32, so we'll be up over $100 for February. About 56. We have 60 shares, $5,600, almost $5,700 in AbbVie stock. 72.22 is our average cost. 34% of the portfolio is in AbbVie stock. Up $141 today. Wow. Up $13.45 or 31% total on AbbVie stock. Next, they are also paying me a dividend. So if you noticed, this month we got paid by AT&T already. We are getting paid by AbbVie and by SKT on the same day of February 14th. Today we're up 34 cents in Tangent Factory. We are getting a dividend of 1.78. 5 shares, about $70 of equity. That will be going up because I think I'm going to be able to buy about 7 shares with the dividend money I get this month. So that is awesome. 15.29 is our average cost, but as I said, on the 14th, I will be buying more shares, so that will go up. We are up $1.70, down $7.67 or 10% on this stock, which is fine. Not a big deal. But as I said, the dividends, the $70 from there, the $32 from there, and then about the $2 from SKT will all be going into Tangent Factory outlets, and that will get us an extra 7 shares, which should be $2.20 more a month, which is phenomenal. Actually, it is, yeah, should be 7 shares of SKT added. So we'll be up to 12 shares. But with the current dividend payment, we'll be able to buy 7 shares of SKT around this price or a little bit above. And that will boost us our yearly up by 220 every time that AbbVie, AT&T, and SKT pay. So that's awesome. It's a good plan to have. And it still does my overarching goal of lowering some of the bigger holdings in the portfolio, because I'm reinvesting and buying back into a stock by using other stocks. So like AbbVie, AT&T, and SKT are now going to be funneled into SKT to buy more shares, which is the goal of the portfolio, is to eventually have it buy without me having to manage it at all, which is a good goal. That's pretty much what you want to do in your retirement anyway. So we're well on our way of dividend efficiency there. Next is Target. This one's been on a tear. 10 shares, almost $1,200 of equity, 87.68 is our average cost. 7% of the portfolio is in Target. Once this comes back to Earth, I am hoping that I will be able to buy more shares. ExxonMobil. This is the downfall of the portfolio here. Almost 30 shares, $1,700 of equity. 73.50 is our average cost, so we are down like $13 a share on this one. Big loss. 10.5% of the portfolio is an ExxonMobil stock. $17 down today, almost $18 down, and almost $392 down total. So this is a great value for me right now. And if I could afford to buy it substantially, I would. But since I can only really buy one share with the current dividends that I will be making, I'll focus on SKT because it's cheaper and it will compound faster because I'm able to buy more shares. Then we have WBA, 1 share, $53 of equity, 54 is our average cost, almost 55.32%. I will add more to Walgreens as well. We're down 4 cents today, down $1.40 total. And then as for the watch list, I don't think I added anything. I had Colgate in there, had Clorox in there. Apple's in there for a joke. I love Apple stock, but I don't think I'll be purchasing it, definitely not at these prices. And then I did add Berkshire Hathaway. So I think Berkshire is going to be my one growth stock. I'm a huge fan of Berkshire. Their underlying businesses. If you're not aware, Berkshire Hathaway is the holding company of Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger. They are value investors taught by Benjamin Graham. That's the kind of formula that they use. They use it on their own stock to do share repurchases. They also use it on stocks like, say, Coca-Cola and GM. They've got like they own outright. I think they have over 500 businesses under their ticker. Whether it's like partial ownership in businesses like Apple, Johnson and Johnson, international international brands, or if it's full ownership like Kraft Heinz, Dairy Queen, Duracell, See's Candies. They have such an array of companies, and they bought into some Amazon as well. And trust me, I'd rather spend $227 to get a part ownership in Amazon than $1,700 like Amazon stock is priced. So that will be like my 26th stock, and I might go more than 25 to 30 stocks. It kind of depends. Like I still want Starbucks. Starbucks stock. I still kind of want Genuine Parts. So we'll see. I wanted 25 to be in my dividend portfolio, so that means I can have some growth in there as well. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. We hit 16.7 today, which is awesome. And I will see you guys tomorrow with another dividend investing video. Remember to hit the subscribe button, and when you do, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any episodes on my dividend growth portfolio. I will make sure to record on February 14th, even if it's an off day. And I'll show you the purchases of the SKT stock, what price, and how much that will help me on my road to dividend efficiency and living off of my dividends. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll hit you up with another video tomorrow. Take care, and hopefully the day's green. See you tomorrow.